everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into CashApp. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to log into CashApp, tap open CashApp application. If you've not downloaded the application on your phone, make sure you have. Now, you'll need to enter your phone or your email in order to log in. Let me go ahead and type in my email. If you'd like to use the phone number option, you can tap on Use Phone. Now, tap on the next button and enter the confirmation code that has been sent to your email. Tap open the email that you received from CashApp and you'll receive sign-in code with the email. Go back to the page and type in the confirmation code or simply paste it in. Now, tap on Next at the bottom of the screen. And there you go. That is how you can easily log into CashApp. I hope you found that video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.